More than a dozen powerful superfoods with thousands of phytonutrients plus enzymes, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, probiotics, fiber, and protein. Each one a powerhouse of nature's finest gifts. Pure 100% cocoa, rich with antioxidants that protect your heart and brain and fuel your cells. Rice bran, one of nature's most powerful healing foods, packed with B vitamins, antioxidants, and vitamins that energize your day. Kale and spinach, powerful mineral-rich greens that strengthen your foundation. Carrots and beetroot, colorful roots that protect your eyes and heart and spark your metabolism. Fennel seeds and parsley, cleansing and protecting herbal allies that heal within. Broccoli and cabbage, one of nature's most powerful cancer-fighting and immune-supporting multivitamin duo in perfect form. Blueberries and green coffee beans, anti-aging polyphenols that energize, protect, and renew every cell. Lion's mane and banaba leaf help protect the brain, nervous system, and support healthy blood sugar levels. What if you could harness them all in one revolutionary blend that tastes great? This is VIVE Shak, where nutrition becomes transformation and where health becomes infinite. Where every sip delivers the complete spectrum of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, amino acids, and fiber. Thousands of antioxidants and phytonutrients that build health. Great for anti-aging, energy, and vitality. Visit vivshak.com. More than a dozen superfoods. Thousands of nourishing nutrients. One shake. Infinite possibilities.